Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are here tonight at the Haunted Hills Hospital here in Merrillville, Indiana. And things are starting to get pretty scary behind me, so let's go ahead and get inside and go get some scares. Oh boy. Where are we going?
Going into the hospital.
Oh, this is the gas station.
No.
Oh, we're not going to church?
There's a bunch of people.
Oh, Lord. All right, this is how we're... Oh, hello there. All right, we're following him.
See you at the end.
Oh, I'm sure he will.
Bring him through.
Oh, man.
Come on, move.
We're going. We're going. Oh, I do. Maybe you don't.
All right, go on through.
Oh, man.
Let's go, move it. What are you doing? Move so that's slow. Let's go. Do it, nothing more.
Oh, what is going on up here? Oh, Lord. Where do we go? I don't trust that at all. Oh, hi there.
Hi!
Oh,
What are you
wonderful.
in here? What are you in here for?
I really don't know.
You don't
I'm
know?
still trying to figure it out.
The Haunted Hills Hospital. All right.
What is that? I don't trust it. Oh, hi there. You're adorable.
Oh, my friend, let's say hi.
What is that thing? Oh, that's a massive cockroach.
There's so many.
She wants you to eat it.
I know.
How does it taste? Oh my gosh. Stop screaming at me. I didn't do it.
That's my mind. Go zap you.
Sure.
I'm trying to roll around and all I can do is just sit here and find nothing but boring things.
I'm sorry. I have nothing to offer you.
I know! They're just letting me be tortured here in the wall, not letting me crawl and travel how I should! I just want to make sure I get all the creepy parts, but no! I'm stuck like this!
I've got nothing good on me, I promise. I'm so done.
Well, hi.
Oh, hi there.
Welcome to the nut bar.
Oh my
We got
gosh.
all sorts of weirdos and freaks and psychos in here.
Yeah?
We got things in here they ain't even names for.
Oh
We got
my
things in
gosh.
here there are names for. I just don't feel like trying to pronounce them.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, well,
My
who's,
name is Tragic Magic.
what's his name?
My name is Tragic Magic. I like windows.
Oh, okay.
Nature.
All right.
So you guys ready to go in there and have fun?
Yeah. Oh, we don't have to go on the bed?
This way and go that way.
All right, we're going this way. Jeez. What's wrong with you? Why are you grabbing me? You stay over there, I go this way. What in the Lord's name is this? Oh my gosh. I feel so short. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go this way. These place still got COVID all over it. Oh my Lord. I don't want to smell anything.
You don't want to smell it?
No.
Smells really good.
I don't want to.
It's really good, too.
No. Stop yelling at me. I didn't do it. Oh my God, where do I go? I'm so lost. Okay. Are we done yet? Oh, that's cute. Oh, hi there. I'll see you on the other side. Oh my God. What are you doing?
I forgot to feed the cat.
Whose cat?
My cat.
Oh, well, you stay with your cat. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, why are you so angry? Okay, I understand. You're mad. Oh my gosh. Why do I sign up for these things?
Put them into the kitchen.
Oh my lord.
We got dinner to make. Tell me what's next on the menu.
Oh my lord. What is that in there? Is that a pig? Are you here to pick it? Do you got bacon back there? No bacon? No?
What?
I said bacon.
You can't read. It says no patience. You shouldn't be in here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't cut it over here. All right. So listen, your nurse ahead. I would not even take a Tylenol from her. You're gonna follow her instructions very clearly. Everybody, turn your listening ears on. Turn them on.
I got wax in mine.
You want me to clean it? Come here.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right.
I got mine back there.
Good job. Keep it moving.
Oh, we're
What are you
going.
looking at?
I'm looking at you.
Keep it moving. All right, you're gonna go to floor 2. You will not go to the basement. Repeat after me. I will not go to the basement.
I will go to the basement.
Liars.
I'm going. She don't think I'm going. I'm going to the basement. Hello? I think we're stuck in here. Y'all see? Just kidding. Oh, the roof just. We're bouncing. Oh, what's going? Oh no. Oh no. Oh my lord. What? I don't trust this. There's a bunch of OSHA violations in here. Like, I should not be able to see through the floor. Jeez.
He beat you to the basement. Good job. Come on.
I'm coming.
Move it. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Come
We're
on.
going. We're moving.
God, slowpoke.
I'm not a slowpoke. I might be slow. Oh,
Your slowness tells me you are a slowpoke.
I like your mask. It's adorable. Oh, hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
What are you doing with that? What are you screaming at me for?
The voices! He's gonna kill
They're out. Oh, no, we're not. Where are you coming from?
You need to hear the voices!
Oh my, what are you? You're supposed to be in the, where, oh my gosh.
What? Are you trying to tell me?
I have no idea. I can't get my brain back together right now. Oh my,
Oh, you're in the bed!
there's so many of you.
It's a hospital, you know.
Oh. You don't want me to put me on the table? That's fine. I've been on enough tables. What is going on here? Why are you screaming at me?
Do you have my medication? Where's my medication at?
It's in my car.
I'm waiting for my pills. I need my prescription.
Why do you got them?
I need all of my medication.
You leave me alone. Oh my gosh, you do belong here. You're just a wait, there's two of you?
I haven't operated on any humans yet. Where do you keep your bills?
I
can add some.
Those are in my car too. Oh, he's cute. Oh, aren't you adorable? No, for the last time.
I've been looking all over the place now.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, hi there. Woo. Man, I just got hotboxed.
Are you here for
Oh my
plastic
gosh.
surgery?
I
Maybe
sure
you
am.
need a new nose. How about a new jaw? I can help you out a lot. I know I can.
Are you judging
Free
me?
discount.
You're judging? Oh,
I'm
that's.
not judging.
I just hit my head. Oh, whoa, I just ran up. We're not gonna say anything.
My nurses are crazy. You understand what's gonna happen if you don't give them their pills?
I don't know.
Alive one by one.
Where am I? Oh,
Did the doctor see you good?
no.
Do you need anything?
Hey, there's some people back there that need some pills. Yeah. Oh, that's just freaking adorable. You know, why not? Everybody else wants everybody a piece of me. Oh, I was just gonna say it looks safe in here, but I lied. Oh,
Are you trying to find the way out?
possibly.
Oh, well. Yeah, you kind of the wrong place.
I'll go this way.
No,
I go this
you gotta
way.
go this way.
I'll go this way.
Likelihood of escape is slim. Good luck.
Oh, thanks. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness! Hi
Oh,
there!
don't you be saying hi to me like that.
Pardon me. Have you met my dog Fido yet?
No.
No, he's only long 14. Only 14. Can you believe it?
14? How old are you?
Only. You know, he only likes to use glasses on.
Oh, Lord. I can't breathe. I've got CPO,
Did you see the
COPD.
puppies? Did you see the puppies?
No, no puppies. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
You know, along with
You're
Fido,
on
I have my
again.
spiders.
My little spiders are stepping on my baby.
Don't watch it. Watch out for the baby spiders.
Precious little
Don't
baby.
kill them.
I don't see them.
Killing my baby.
Oh, Nora.
My precious little.
Oh my gosh. What are you supposed to be?
Fido, he's such a sweetheart. Come on, he's okay.
You need to go take those pills. I smell fumes. No, you're not. Oh man, I can't go any other way. Good Lord, why am I not running?